Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how we can remove the background of our video using Filmora 14. Okay, let's get into it guys. I have created a project on my Filmora application, and first of all, I'm going to add the video to the timeline. For example, I'm going to remove the background of this video, and to remove the background of this video guys, I'm going to use AI feature. We can go to the video and then we can select AI tools, and I'm going to use this feature AI portrait cadet. I'm going to activate this feature and we just need to wait until 100%. Wait, it's still loading. And this feature will remove the background of your video automatically, but it can only be applied to the portrait video. I mean the video which contains human, so the background will be removed automatically. Okay, and just wait guys, it's still loading. Okay, now it's done, and this is the final result. As you can see that the background has been removed from my video. Okay. And okay guys, that's all the way to remove the background of our video using Filmora. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video guys.